This is the homework for lesson number 75 of the Raspberry Pi PicoW session or series that Paul McWhorter is hosting. What I have is, let me show you the connections I have here. You'll see that I don't have the unit that Paul has, but it's the same chip. It's an 1838, I believe. That's the same thing that Paul has in the kit from Sun Founder. This one here is from Elgo. From the back when we did the Raspberry, or not the Raspberry, but the Arduino R3 course. This was the infrared device, and this was then there was a different, what do you call it, in remote control. But they basically all work on the same basis. And if you look at it, you'll find that I've got 3 connections on this, just like the one that the Sun Founder one has, except I have mine connected to pin 21, and the center pin goes to plus 3.3 volts, and the outside pin here is ground. Now, that's all the connections you have on this guy. And for this thing, mostly it's software. And I was looking up here go up here to the software. And on the top here, we import machine, import pin, import time and sleep. And quite frankly, I don't think I used it. And then here we got the IRX print error, import print error, and the IRX.NEC import NEC. Here's where you set the IR pin up, and then I've got some definitions I had to set up here, so the software would know it was there. As control equals 0, IR bit equals 0, and the string key sets up what is that called? It's a list? No, I think it's a list. Or once you enter the thing, it'll be put into this. I can't remember what it's called. Anyhow, it goes into there. And then we have all the values. Mine are a little bit different because this was a different vendor. And there are some differences on there, but not a lot. Not a huge problem. And we go down here to the bottom. This is the stuff that Paul basically did. He said the callback is the IR bit. And that's when he just can't get the information. I made these global, but I probably didn't have to because I thought I was going to be working down in here. It looks like the whole thing could be done up here. Okay, here's how we handle the -1. If the IR bit is less than 1, pass. That means you got a -1 there. You don't want to do anything. And then, or else, control key value to IR bit. And then I take this string key and I append the control information from IR bit. Now control, same thing as IR bit. And then if the control equals power, then I start putting information into the list. And that down here, and if the control equals EQ, which is, I guess, enter, quit, or whatever, and I print the string key, and then I click clear the string key. And basically, this is all the same stuff we did before. And of course, we have the try and accept. And if you control C this thing, you get IR closed, program terminated. Okay, so let's run this pig. See what happens. Okay, now, ain't a whole lot to see other than me pushing buttons there. I'll hit power, that's start things up. Then I'll go 2, 5, 8. Then I EQ, and it'll list the power, and then the 2, the 5, and the 8, and it'll also list the EQ, which gives you the access to it. Okay, then let's try again. Let's see if it's cleared as soon as I stop. As soon as I entered it, cleared it. So now if I go power, I can go, let's go over here. Let's go function, fast forward, up, and ST, and then EQ. And I get power, function, forward, up, ST. I don't know exactly what that's for, but, and the EQ. So that works pretty well. So anyway, that's my homework, Paul. I appreciate you doing these videos, and we'll see you on Thursday. Thank you.